everybody, what's up? It's Jeds, and today I'm going to be showing you how I got these natural beach wave curls. So let's get started. So first, we're just going to start out by brushing our hair. Now, I do kind of have dirty hair, but I try to wash it every other day. I washed it yesterday morning, sorry. But yeah, you want to start out by brushing your hair. And I always pull my hair into two different sections. So I normally brush it out, and then I take the two different sections in the back and I just pull it to the front. And as you can tell, I have like a lot of layers in my hair. I really need to get my hair redone. But I have layers in my hair. But the first thing that I do, once I get that done, oh, I've got hair on here. Is I section it off. So I push it all to the back. I section it off after. I section it off as I'm pushing it to the back. And then also, depending on the thickness of your hair, depends on like the curls. So if you want just like that one little wave, I would recommend just doing like getting like more hair. But since I want like actual like more waves and like more beachy, then I'm gonna do less hair. So like even this right here, this might look super thin, but I do have kind of thicker hair. But I'm gonna section this off into two. And I'm always gonna start in the back. So I'm gonna press the home button to make sure that it's locked in the front. And then the clamp is always gonna face the front. So I'm gonna make sure it's about an inch away from the bottom of my hair and clamp it. Now I'm always gonna go towards the back. So whatever opposite direction of me is the way I'm gonna go. And then I'm just gonna hold it. I would not recommend putting your fingers on it, but I'm just moving my hair. And pull it down. Now, one thing I do is I don't touch it. It's warm, so I want it to keep the curl, so then I just put it in the back. And then I do that again. I have mine on fast, so that way, just because once you get used to it, you'll want to, you know, speed up the process, because it'll definitely make time go by quicker. But yeah, so you see that? Oh, look at that curl. Oh my god, curls like that just make me so happy. So I'm gonna put it in the back of my hair. Now, I did notice that like once I come to this side, I don't know what is wrong, but I always have a tendency to kind of like the curl kind of looks different. It looks almost the same, but it looks different. So I'm just gonna take my Beachwaver, put the clamp down, and remember it's always facing the front. And then the arrow is always gonna go this way. So you're gonna always wanna go towards the back. Oh god, got a little piece of hair in there. Try to find the clamp. Move it down a little bit. Look at that. That's perfect. Put that behind. And once you get used to actually like curling it, it becomes easier just to be like, just to slap your hair inside of the thing and then curl it. And then you're on your way. But you do have to be very careful, because I have burnt my fingers a few times trying to find the clamp. And I always return it to the home button whenever I get done. And then looks so good. And I'm not going to touch those, so I don't touch any of my hair till the very end. And I might just like speed up this process so that way you don't have to sit here and watch me curl my whole head. I did a Beachwave tutorial like a long time ago. I don't know how I feel about that one. I have a new camera now, and I like this one better. I feel like you can see it more clear. My other one was just like, oh my god, I looked at it last night and my makeup was so cakey on my face and it was awful. I was just like, what did I do? And I'm gonna take down the next section of hair. I have so much hair. And sometimes I will actually curl my hair at night just so that way I can sleep on it. And I'll just make it like extra curly and then sleep on it and it'll like come out like really like wavy. It's weird because I think I just noticed that I start on this side, but then I move to this side. It's so weird. Okay. Now I'm gonna do this side. So you're gonna leave an inch, clamp it, go towards the back. Where's the thing? Always have to be careful with that because like, I mean, when it burned my hand, holy moly, it burned my hand and it hurt. This is also just like, I like to sometimes like beach wave my hair just in case for like since my hair is straight as a board, sometimes I like to beach wave it literally just to put it up in a bun. I know that sounds like so much effort, but I feel like curly hair does better in a bun and straight hair just, nah. It just slides right out of a bun. So sometimes I legitimately beach wave my hair just to put it in a bun or to style it. I'm just gonna do a quick pause so that we all can see the side of my hair and how it's turning out so far with the waves. Hopefully y'all can see it. It looks like little messy waves in person. So I'm satisfied with it. I like it so far. So now that I have it all curled with these curls, it's still kind of warm. I'm just gonna take, I have this Weightless Shine Air Dry Cream and you can get it at Target. And I know you're supposed to wait and put it in your hair like while your hair is kind of wet, but I just take a little bit of it. I love the smell of it. Ooh. I just put like a little bit of it because my hair has a tendency to get really, really, really greasy. And this is where I just brush out my hair with that cream and it'll take away that frizz and put back that shine. And I don't use a brush on my hair at all. Now, if you want your curls to be a little bit more brushed out, then yeah, use a brush. But I would recommend not using a brush if you want it to be like that messy, natural beach wave look. Just like Victoria's Secret. Yeah, and I'll just go through my hair with all of that. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Comment down below, subscribe, check out my Instagram at itsjeds. I'll be on IGTV as well, so you should look it up. Thanks for watching, love y'all.